How to commute to Bantayan Island. Ito yung journey namin going to Bantayan Island, guys, and I'm already telling you, if pupunta ka rin here, need mo ng maraming patience, food, and again, patience kasi mahaba-haba ang lalakbayin natin. To summarize, ito yung mga sasakyan natin para makarating ng Bantayan Island. Screenshot nyo na lang. But if you want a more in-depth instruction, then continue watching this video. So our starting point is at Mactan, Cebu Airport. Lalabas tayo ng airport, just follow the bus to city signage. Paglabas ng airport, makikita natin tong My Bus, and dito yung sasakyan natin going to the North Bus Terminal. Bago sumakay, magbayad muna ng ticket dito sa booth for 50 pesos per person. May lagayan pala ng luggage here, so you don't have to worry if may space ba yung maleta mo sa bus. Pagdating ng North Bus Terminal, dumiretso na sa ticketing booth ng Ceres Bus. And bibili tayo ng ticket going to Bantayan Island. As of May 2026, the bus going to Bantayan is worth 260 pesos. Then ito na yung bus na papuntang Bantayan. Don't get confused, guys, as in pupunta talaga tong Bantayan Island since sasakay rin to ng ferry. But first, need muna natin makarating ng Hagnaya Port. Sumakay kami ng bus around 10:50 AM pero umalis lang siya ng 12:10 PM, so around 1 hour and 20 minutes din yung hinintay namin bago umandar yung bus. After 2 hours, nag-stop over yung bus and sakto may karinderya, so here na kami kumain ng lunch. Around 15 minutes lang naman yung stopover and then larga na ulit going to Hagnaya Port. Nung nakarating na kami ng Hagnaya Port, binaba lahat ng passengers dito sa tapat ng counter. Wala kaming kinuhang bag or luggage, as in wallet and phone lang. Sila na bahala sa mga gamit nyo kasi isasakay din nila yung bus. Pumila na kami to pay a ferry fee of 392 pesos per person and a terminal fee of 20 pesos each. After paying, pumasok na kami sa ferry. Look, guys, nandito na rin yung bus. Pinasok na pala siya habang nagbabayad yung mga passengers sa counter. Umandar na rin yung ferry around 4:50 PM and we arrived at Santa Fe Port ng 6 PM. May sumundo sa amin from our hotel, so make sure na tanungin nyo yung hotel nyo if they have a pick-up service. Pero if wala, meron namang mga tricycle sa daan that can take you to your hotel. And that's it! We're now in Bantayan Island. Take note na meron ding flight from Mactan Airport going to Bantayan Island and pwede ring sumakay ng van instead of bus. Pero hindi na namin in-explore mga options na to, guys, because first, the flight to the island is surely expensive and limited lang din pala yung flights going to the island. And second, mas gusto namin comfortable yung biyahe unlike sa van na siksikan and mainit, lalo na't ang dami naming bagahe. But of course, mas mabilis ka makakarating with these two options, so you might as well check it out. Ang haba ng commute, guys, inabot din kami ng 8 hours in total, but for me, it was totally worth it because super na-enjoy ko talaga yung time namin on the island and I can't wait na makabalik ulit dito sa Bantayan. That's all. Thank you for watching!